Murugamiriri munene kambuni ino Dagitari James Mwangi aragiritania wongerereku na gukorwo kwina riera ihoreru ria kibiashara, urugamiriri mukindiriku hamwe na kambuni iyo gukorwo ikireire uhuthiri wa teknolojia ya kiriu hari kuheana motungata ma kifengi.
Profit before tax increases from 20.7 billion shillings to 22.4 billion shillings, and after tax profit increases from 14.6 billion shillings to 15.8 billion shillings.
Besha iria hitukiirio kugerera mutambo wa Equitel onacio nicionekete kuongerereka na gicunji kia 20% kuma hari bilioni 354 nginya hari bilioni 425. Andu aingi makionekana kwenderera ukuhimbiria motungata ma kifengi kugerera mitambo ya thimu ciao cia moko.
Branches have only done 13 million transactions, and suddenly you see agents who are interlinked through Equitel have done 53 million transactions, more than 4 times the number of transactions done by the branches.
Mwangi augite na thegi ya gukorwo ni marahotire gukorwo mathondekete faida ino no mathiete na mbere na kurundirwo ni mathina megemainie na watho wa ngombo hamwe na bengi nene kugerera kamiti ya kwarĩrĩria mitaratara ya kibesha niyo MPC gukorwo ithiete na mbere ikunderetie umithio ria mabatie gukorwo makiamukira kumana na uheani wa ngombo.
The health of a bank is determined by 2 things: the sentiment of the customer and the quality of the loan book. As we can see, the sentiments of the customers are very bullish. The rapid growth of the subsidiaries, but most important is their profit contribution has jumped from 14% of the total group profit to 18%.
Fegi ya Equity ni imwe ya fegi iria nene guku bururi-ini na ikoragwo na muigana wa ahuthiri a motungata makinyĩirie milioni 13. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma metha-inĩ ya wonjoria, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Ngugi.